training and upskilling for AI adoption. Welcome back to the AI Future Trend Hub, where we delve into the latest advancements and trends shaping the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring a crucial aspect of AI adoption, training and upskilling. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, it's essential for individuals and organizations to adapt and equip themselves with the necessary skills to thrive in this AI-driven era. Before we dive deep into the topic, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to transportation, AI is reshaping how businesses operate and how we live our daily lives. But with this rapid transformation comes the need for individuals to adapt and acquire new skills to harness the power of AI effectively. So why is training and upskilling crucial for AI adoption? Let's break it down. Firstly, as AI technologies evolve, the demand for skilled professionals in AI-related fields is soaring. According to recent studies, there's a significant shortage of AI talent globally. By investing in training and upskilling programs, individuals can position themselves as valuable assets in this competitive landscape. The rapid advancements in AI require professionals to continuously update their skills to stay relevant. Training programs offer the opportunity to learn new techniques, tools, and methodologies that are essential for success in the field. Secondly, training and upskilling foster innovation and creativity. By gaining a deeper understanding of AI concepts and techniques, individuals can explore new possibilities and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. Whether it's attending workshops, enrolling in online courses, or pursuing advanced degrees, there are numerous avenues for individuals to enhance their AI skills. These programs provide hands-on experience and real-world applications, allowing participants to gain practical knowledge and expertise. Thirdly, training and upskilling promote diversity and inclusion in the AI workforce. By providing equal access to learning opportunities, we can empower individuals from diverse backgrounds to pursue careers in AI and contribute to its development in meaningful ways. It's crucial to create a supportive and inclusive environment where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and succeed in the field of AI. Lastly, training and upskilling are not just beneficial for individuals, they also drive organizational growth and competitiveness. Companies that invest in employee development and foster a culture of continuous learning are better equipped to leverage AI technologies and stay ahead of the curve. By prioritizing training and upskilling initiatives, organizations can build a talented workforce capable of driving innovation, improving efficiency, and delivering exceptional results. In conclusion, training and upskilling are essential components of AI adoption. By investing in education and professional development, individuals and organizations can unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence and pave the way for a brighter, more innovative future. Thank you for tuning into today's discussion. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest AI trends and insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of AI. Are you enjoying our AI-focused content? By tapping the like button and subscribing to our channel, you're not just expressing your gratitude for the knowledge we share, but also fueling our ability to keep offering cutting-edge insights and information to assist you in mastering the intricacies of AI technology and its applications. Together, let's embark on this journey toward AI literacy and empowerment. Your ongoing support means the world to us. Until our next update, stay informed, stay inspired, and stay empowered by AI.